Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Summer is here, and with it, the promise of a bountiful harvest. But hold on. Before you dive into your gardening routine, let's talk about some common summer gardening mistakes and how to avoid them. First up, overwatering. It's hot, it's sunny, and your plants look thirsty. Naturally, you might think they need more water, but too much H2O can actually drown your plants. Instead, water deeply and less frequently, aiming for the roots. Early mornings or late evenings are the best times to water, reducing evaporation. Next, let's talk about mulch. Mulching is fantastic for retaining moisture and controlling weeds, but piling it too high can suffocate the roots and invite pests. A layer of about 2 to 3 inches is perfect. And remember, keep the mulch away from the base of the plant to prevent rot. Now, on to pruning. Summer is a great time for growth, but aggressive pruning in the heat can stress your plants. Focus on removing dead or diseased branches and let the rest be until cooler weather. Light trimming is okay, but save the heavy pruning for fall or early spring. Another mistake is ignoring pests. Summer is prime time for bugs and critters. Keep an eye out for unusual spots, holes, or wilting leaves. Natural remedies like neem oil or insecticidal soap can be lifesavers. And remember, a diverse garden with a mix of plants can help deter pests naturally. Finally, don't forget about plant nutrition. The summer sun can deplete soil nutrients fast. Regularly feed your plants with a balanced fertilizer, but don't overdo it. Too much fertilizer can burn your plants. Follow the instructions on the package and give your garden the nourishment it needs. So there you have it, folks. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can keep your garden thriving all summer long. Happy gardening, and may your harvest be plentiful. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening goodness. Thanks for watching.